Hello, meet me Musli from Praba Engineering Service. We want to learn about Civil3D series. In this time, we want to talk about how to optimize the surface. I have some project area in here, in the West Java. The north is the ocean, the bottom is to the south, to the top is north. This is still empty area. We have two directional route on the left hand, and we have empty side on the right. Yeah, we already take the data on this area. We have a small river in here, mostly in irrigation, and we have the gate in here, the boundary. Mostly the south area is higher than the north area. After the survey, after we take the data survey, we already collect in Civil3D. I want to show you the original data survey. Then we check the result, and then after that we need to optimize how to create the data survey looks like the actual condition, because some point we don't have, because when we survey we have some obstacle. We put the survey equipment in here and go to everywhere, and we move to another area, go to everywhere. We move couple times. This is the exact location, the photo by Google Earth. The left side is a route with two directions. This is to the top, to the south. This is to the downhill, to the north. We stand our instrument in here, the steep area, and this is how the car can go to the up. This is the result of survey. The X marks, it means the location of the instrument survey already taken. This one. When you check by object viewer like this, this is location of the road. This is the ramp for the car to the location, and we have an existing building in here. Another is cassava trees. But we want to make some optimization and correction step by step. First, we create modification for the surface of root. We have a root in here, we have data survey in here. We need to check which the elevation. To make first, we want to do about the root. Okay, this is the top of the pavement on the left, on the right side, and we need to connect by 3D poly. We need to connect by 3D poly. First, we typing OS to make sure everything already checked. Select all, but I want to use only center and node to make sure our connection is matched with the point location. Then I type 3D poly. From here to here, every point we connect it. Closing for the end. Okay. This is the area of the surface of pavement, like this. And I need to create more line in the outside area by offset. In Civil3D and another software like AutoCAD, they not provide how to offset by 3D poly. So I need additional software that we call CAD tools. From here, from CAD tool, this is the free software you can download. In here, if you don't have, just go to Google and click CAD tool and Glamsen. You can download in here. This one, CAD tool and Glamsen. Okay, back to the Civil3D. So I download the update. I already have the newest one, like this. This is need to be make same version with our AutoCAD in here. Then go to command and then line offset 3D poly. Check the command bar in here. Enter horizontal offset distance. Just type 0.5 and then enter elevation and distance. We need around 5 until 10 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter is enough. Go to minus 0.05. Enter, then go to the line. Select offset. This is in offset. and enter. Still not working. They offset in the inside. We need to click this and this. Yes, okay, this is working. So this is the offset from the 3D poly, but we need to make a more longer than the inside, like this, both sides, left and right, and then we closing by type PNE, then close this one. This is already have two polyline, 3D polyline, but inside and outside location. This one is create looks like with the actual location. Then after this one, I go to the surface. I want to create new surface, existing ground, but existing ground optimization. We already have one existing ground, but I want to create new one to make the difference about the original existing and the existing after we create some optimize. Surface existing optimization. Surface existing optimize. Like this. And then I want to create copy from the original existing. Go to edit. Paste surface existing. Okay, this is the duplication from existing. I want to no display for the existing one, and this one is surface duplication in surface existing. To make sure when you click the object, you can read in here the name of the surface in the second one. Okay, then I want to add brick line for the root. Okay, I want to type root surface. Okay, then click OK, both of them, 1 and 2, then OK. You see, okay, when I create some cross section in here, then go to quick profile, and then we have existing original and existing optimized. I want to change the style to make sure you have a different visual from this first action. The surface number 2 is in design profile, then OK, go in here, let me check. This is the original, this is the after we modify. So the surface in here, this is the root. This is the root surface. The actual location is look like this, asphalt surface close to the actual condition. The pavement should be like this. This one is in magenta. This before when we not create by polyline. Okay. For the root problem is already done. Then we need to create about the gate in here. We have okay, I want to create gate in here by 3D poly. Okay. Okay. When I make some cross section in here for your illustration, this is the existing ground, and we have new like this, and we have a plain one here, then we have small division, then go to the here. This is existing ground in here, then this one, this object should be in here for the gates, and the fit of the retaining wall is in here. This is on the top, and we need to create 3D poly again. 3D poly again. From here, this is the outside area, but the location is lower around 100.5 meter. This one. Okay. We need to check this. Okay, some location already okay, but some location there is no point, so I need to help object snap by this point, and I move and shifting from here to here without changing the elevation. To make sure you don't change the elevation, please push the F3 on the keyboard that mention this is off. So when you move the vertex like this, there is no connect to any object. We need to check again. Okay, that's good, that's great. I want to delete this one first, then create offset around 30 centimeter. Okay, okay, to here, click here. Wait a moment, it's already done. Then we check 3 of them. Object viewer, this one. This is make sense. Then I want to add this one, become the gate brick line. Add again. I just type gate. Okay, then I choose this one, 1, 2, and 3. Enter. Okay. When we check the profile in here, I'm using another existing. I'm using another color in here. So we have clear in face wall. I'm using okay. Then I'm using design for the profile. Then okay. I want to check from this to this. Okay, this one. This is the location existing. This is the retaining wall. This is the space between the retaining wall and the surface of the rigid pavement. When we check by the object viewer like this, so the location is looks like the actual condition. We want to delete this because this is the outside of our boundary. 3D poly, we can recreate by 3D poly. Just make sure the object snap is only for the node and click center. Okay, go to here and then closing. Okay, then I want to make a offset again, and 0.1 10 centimeter to inside. Elevation is 0 from here to here. Okay, this is 10 centimeter inside. Then I put off for the object snap. Then I create like this in inside location and inside location. So for every corner, I just put this one to make every corner same in the inside. I just copy, go to the next, okay, go to the next vertex, okay, go to the next vertex, paste again, go to the next vertex, paste again, go to the next vertex, paste again, until the end. We have around 8 vertex in here. So when I check by 3D view, I assume that inside line is a floor for building, and the outside is the soil in the outside of building. I'm closing in here. Then I add again. We want to compare before and after. We create profile again. This is profile before optimize, and then I want to, and next I want to add brick line building. Okay, Then I choose 1 and 2 polyline. Okay. You see there is some contour missing in here because I assume that the building is flat. Okay, this one. This is the floor of building, should be like this, because when we not to create brick line, the floor of the building will be randomly like this. To make sure our drawing is exactly on the location, I already download the Plex Earth, and then we just import the image to make sure the location is same with the data survey. Select from here to here. Wait a moment. Okay, this already done. The Plex Earth already get the data from the Google Earth. Then we need to send to back the order. This is the location. I'm not sure because the Google Earth's free version is around 5 meter precision, so they have some gap in here, but it's no problem for the first impression and first illustration. Okay, see you to the next video. Bye bye.